Welcome to RS Foundation Maths classes, 10th class. Today in this lesson I am going to explain HCF. So in the previous lesson we have discussed about Euclid division algorithm or Euclid division lemma. Now with the same rule we are going to find out HCF. HCF is a highest common factor. Okay, this already you have learned in class 7. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9 you have learned HCF, highest common factor. So we will apply HCF in this finding HCF. For that, let us take an example. So find HCF of let us say 23 and 20. So normally what we are going to do, we use the division method. So the biggest number is 23, that will be, say this will be dividend, and smallest number always will be divided. This is normal routine division method for finding HCF. So 1 time, so 3, again this divisor will become dividend. Okay, this divisor will become dividend and the remainder will become divisor, and it is let me put my chashma. Then 6 3 is 18, again 2 is the remainder, again it is a continuous division. This divisor is again will become dividend and this remainder becomes divisor. So 2 1s are 2, sorry, I should put only 1 time, 2 1. So how long this is a continuous division? How long you have to do till you get the division remainder 0. So now this 2 also will become dividend, and then this remainder will be divisor. So 2 1s are 2, so 0. So this is the last one is HCF. This is our normal method. So when EDL comes, Euclid division lemma comes, if A, B are two numbers, say for example this is A and this is B, so then what happened, A is equal to, okay, divisor into that 20, sorry, divisor is B, B into Q plus remainder. This is Euclid's division lemma rule. Now let us apply each division into say, you can easily understand this is first division. I will give a red color marker. So here 23 is the dividend and quotient divisor is 20 into 1 plus 3. This is the first ADL in the first division. For every one division you can apply Euclid division lemma. Okay, the names given differently, but it is a very common thing. Again what happened in the next process again second division is there. This is the second division, right? In the second division what happened, the divisor is 20. That means you can have like this, the divisor of the first step will become dividend. Okay, then what happened, again divisor into 3, this remainder will become quotient, so divisor into 6 plus remainder is 2. So this is third division. Let us go to the fourth division. So fourth division is this one. Okay, so then what happened, fourth division, again this divisor will become 3, dividend, and this divisor becomes dividend, and remainder will become divisor, so 2 into 1 plus 1 is the remainder. So then what happens, this finally we have one more thing, so one more division, this is one last division. Okay, so then in this what happened, this will become, and this remainder will become, and 2. So then finally what happened, this will be HCF. HCF is equal to 1. Actually for finding HCF we have different methods. So this is in step, in 4, this is first equation, and this is second equation, and this is third equation, and this is a fourth equation. So in 4 steps you will be getting HCF of this 23 and 20. So this question you may be getting in the examination. Okay, one of the important question, easy question also. Okay, so first if you are unable to, if you are getting confused to write EDL, always try my method, like division right side may you can have the division process here, you can write the division process here, and accordingly you can convert these divisions to the steps of EDL. So whenever you are getting a 0 remainder, wherever you are getting 0 remainder, and that divisor will become HCF. This is a simple and a direct question. Okay, so now in this we will have one more question. One more question. Application. This is also a very important question, right? It is a confusing also. I am taking an example here. So D is HCF of 45 and 27. It is easy, but it looks confusing. Okay, and find x and y, if D is equal to 27x plus 45y. This is the question, examination question. Okay, it is there even in the textbook also, and let us find out. So directly what happened here, 45 and 27 HCF is there, we can directly find out HCF. So biggest number you can write using here EDL, this is using EDL, Euclid division lemma use karna hai. So then 27 divisor into how many times, one time, and the remainder 45 minus 27 is 18 is the remainder. This is the step number 1 of EDL. Again this divisor will become dividend, this remainder will become divisor. 18 into 2, 36, only one time. So again how many times, it is 9 times. This is step 2 of EDL. Again this 18 will become dividend, this 18 is equal to, this remainder will become divisor, 9 2s are 18, remainder is 0. So therefore this will be HCF. That means D is equal to 9, because D is the HCF na, so D is equal to 9. So now we have to find out D is equal to, we have to take an equation, D is equal to 27x plus 45y. You have to get an equation like that, and from that you have to find out x and y value. Okay, so now we want D on the left hand side, right? So from the left hand side it is there, 9 is there in this equation we will take first. So we will keep 9 the same side, send 18 into 1 to the other side. So then what happened, 27 minus 18 into 1. We have taken the second step, second equation. This is first equation, this is third equation. We have started from the second equation because in the second equation 9 is there. We want 9 on left hand side. Now 27 ultimately we have got here. We don't want 18 here. We want 45. So again from this 18 value, 18 is equal to 27 minus 45 minus 27 into 1. So then what I will do, 27 I will keep like this. In the place of 18 I will write this value. So 45 minus 27 into 1 into 1. I am not doing anything. I am just getting the final equation. D is equal to 27x plus 45. So now in this equation we have 27, 45 and 9 are there. So this is elimination, and so minus 45, minus into minus, 27 into 1, 27 only. So minus into minus plus 27. Okay, into 1 is the same value. So there are two 27s, 27 into 2, but here we have plus, so here also we will write plus. So 45 only 1 is there, we will write minus 1. So if you compare this with this equation, this is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. It looks tricky, but it is easy. Okay, if you are if it is not going into your mind, don't try to understand. So you do it 2, 3, 4 times, then you will understand it. Okay, if you are well versed with the equations and substitutions, eliminations and all those things, then it is easy. So in 10th class, after completing the linear equations and two variables, this will become more easy. So this is a second example. Now let us go to one more example also. This is a very quite common. This you have done it even in lower classes. So example 3. So find the largest number that divides divide 546, 437, 400, leaving reminders 12, 19, 12, 9 respectively. Okay, so largest number means you have to find out HCF. If you are dividing these numbers with HCF, remainder is coming. But when you divide a number with HCF, remainder should be 0. But here what happened, unfortunately reminders have come. So let us the numbers divisible by HCF. Divisible by HCF. I am writing this largest number as HCF. So how do you get? You should remove the reminders. Reminders remove karna hai. So 546 minus 19. This is the first number. 437 minus 12. This is the second number. And 400 minus 9 is the third number. So then what happens? 546 minus 19 is nothing but 527, and 437 minus 12 is nothing but 425, and 400 minus 9 is nothing but 391. So now we have three numbers. You have to find out the largest number, HCF. For finding HCF, you have to use either Euclid method or division method, but here is given clearly Euclid method. So now here three numbers are there. Step number 1, what you have to do, you take any two numbers. Out of three numbers you can take any two numbers, because EDL is possible between only two numbers. So you take 527 and 425. You find out HCF. So this HCF, let us say X. So in the step number 1, what you have to do, you take this X and the third number 391. Again you find out HCF for these things. So this HCF, let us say Y. So Y will be the HCF of all the three numbers. And this will be the required largest number. I have given this like a hint. You do it, and if you don't know, you can contact me. I will do this problem and I will give you the solution. So, and there is one more question based on this, one more application. HCF is one of the important concept. So all the difficult problems I have explained you. There is one more concept, that is word problems. Okay, word problems. In some time I am going to give you some word problems also. Now HCF I am stopping. We will go to the next concept in my next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.